Have you ever wondered about the elements that make up a Japanese garden? What makes these tranquil spaces so enchanting, so unique, and so distinctly Japanese? Curious about the secrets behind their serene beauty? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Japanese gardens, known as Nihontein in Japan, are traditional gardens that create miniature idealized landscapes, often in a highly abstract and stylized way. They're a testament to Japan's rich history and cultural values, embodying principles of harmony, balance, and serenity. These gardens are not just about the greenery, but about capturing the essence of nature in a refined and elegant manner. They represent a world in miniature, a microcosm of the natural world. These gardens are more than just a collection of plants. They're a form of art that reflects the beauty of nature and the essence of tranquility. When you step into a Japanese garden, you'll notice several key elements. The first is water, considered the life-giving force, often represented by ponds or streams. Rocks, on the other hand, symbolize the enduring nature of existence and are often arranged to suggest mountains or islands. Plants, another critical element, are chosen for their seasonal change and form part of the garden's ever-evolving beauty. Lanterns, often stone, illuminate the path, guiding visitors through the garden's narrative. Bridges, both physical and symbolic, connect different areas of the garden, while gates mark the transition from the outer world to this peaceful realm. Each element in a Japanese garden is carefully chosen and placed to create a harmonious and tranquil space. To summarize, Japanese gardens are a unique blend of nature, art, and philosophy. They capture the beauty of the natural world, using elements such as water, rocks, and plants, each carrying its own symbolism. The design is not just about aesthetics. It's a reflection of philosophical ideas, creating a tranquil space for contemplation. Balance and harmony are key, with each element working together to create a serene environment. Remember, each Japanese garden is a unique representation of natural beauty and tranquility, a piece of art in its own right. Hopefully, now you have a better understanding of the elements that make up a Japanese garden. The tranquility it offers is truly unique. If you found this enlightening, remember to like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.